So we've got the tools in the holders, but now we need to set their lengths. Haimer has a solution for that, and in this next video, we're going to cover it.
So this is our Haimer Microset 2070 VIO Linear.
Okay.
So linear drives, the only presetter in the market that has linear drives.
All right.
So I've got the HSK 63 adapter in there from the previous use. So let me take that out. And we'll switch it to the HSK 100. And what you'll see is we have what's called an automatic adapter detection.
Yep.
So as soon as I insert adapter and clamp it, the machine comes up with automatic detection so that I can't use the wrong adapter, or the operator can't use the wrong adapter.
Nice.
So hit OK. So it rotates, and you'll see the HSK 100 has come up. Now it's only going to let me select machines that I have previously assigned to that adapter. So there's virtually no way that you could use the wrong offset or the wrong adapter.
And I see you're bringing up the DVF 8000T, which is the machine we're using for the guitar.
Machine we're using. So now that it's changed, it locks in the HSK 100 adapter, so that cannot be changed until you physically remove that and put in a different adapter. You can change from machine to machine that's assigned to the 100 only.
So what I'm noticing between this machine and the shrink, you guys put a lot of effort into making this as easy as possible, as error-free as possible, and really a seamless experience.
Absolutely. So you'll see that right here. So we'll go ahead and clamp our holder with this button here. And then from this point on, everything's done automatically. So I'll check. The holder's already in here, hit measure, and then the operator's done from that point until he takes it out or removes it. So now the machine, you can barely hear that because of linear drives. The machine's gonna come down into position.
Yeah, we actually see the tool edge show up there.
It's actually gonna sweep through each cutting edge and give me my max diameter and my max Z value.
And once we get these values, what do you do with those values?
So then you could do a couple different things. You could print a label, stick it to the tool, and then the operator would input the offsets himself. We can do a post-processor where the offsets can be sent directly to the machine control.
So you can have it all integrated.
Or we've got RFID, or the ability to scan QR codes with our HQR system. There's multiple ways to transfer.
So it depends on how the shop wants to move that data throughout the shop.
So I clicked on that, and it takes away the dust and gives me the measurement of the cutting tool. So I hit next.
Meanwhile, the spindle's still on.
Spindle's still running. So we're not taking time away from machining to set up a tool or get a gauge length.
Very cool. Thanks for showing me through your products here. Really a seamless experience, and you can see the advantage of why you would not want to be setting these on the machine tool.
All your tools ready for the next job or the next machine. Keep the machines running. That's the ultimate goal.
With this guitar, that is critical because the amount of runtime we have, getting rid of all that titanium is critical.
100%.
It was great talking to Rob through the whole process of Haimer tooling, from special features in the holders, to shrinking a tool in, to setting that tool and moving the offset over to the machine. Now that the tools are set up, we're ready to cut something.